This is a video guide on how to fill your course with content. Go to your course in Moodle, then you need to turn your editing on to start creating content. Go to the right hand corner, click on the cog and turn editing on. Now you have full editing rights over your course. Let's first just cover the course settings. If we click on the cog again, we can edit the settings of the course. On that click settings button, and that's where we can make some changes to the name of the course. I'm going to call my course Demo Course Sample, and I'm going to put Wendy Weston. And then scroll down the screen. Other areas you might want to change. You might want to change the borders that are around your images, and you might want to make some different changes to the colour. Currently the highlighted active section is green. I'm going to make it top blue. Okay. Once you've made any of these changes, you can just click on these squares to change the colour to jazz up your course. Remember to click Save and Display. And you'll go back to the front page of your course, and you can see now I've chosen a blue box. This box means whenever you click on one of the squares, it will take you to that section. And then each time we click on that section, that square will then go blue. So we're on section 1, it goes blue. Okay, so now let's look at how we can make this course a bit more interesting. At the moment it says General. Let's do a Welcome screen. So you click on the Edit cog, you take out the General by putting Custom, and then we can put Welcome to your course. Underneath that, you might want to put a bit of what the course is, and I'm going to put Demo Course for Others. Now, I might want to make this a little bit bigger and centre it. Drop the arrow down, get the full editing tools, centre it, and then you've got the option of the eye to make it in a larger format. If I want to put a picture into this area, I can click on the picture image, and then I can browse for a picture. I'm going to browse into a file I've prepared on the desktop, and I would suggest you do a file on the desktop. It's just the easiest place to go to. I've called mine Sample Course. I'm going to pick up these images, and then you just click Upload. So now I've got a picture going in. You don't need to have any text displaying the picture. I can adjust the size of the picture. Go 200 to 207. Save the image goes in. Now you can see I've got the image with my demo course. Save the changes, and now I've got a nice title for my course. If I don't want that title to be in the space below the course heading, I can actually move it to the grid. There's a section called Move to Grid, and now that becomes within the grid. It becomes Welcome to your course. That's the first square that we're going to put on the grid. I'm going to go into section 1. They're called section numbers. When you're in editing mode, you can scroll down and you see them all lined up one under each other. When the learners view this, they're actually moving across the screen. You see a different view than the learners see. So let's go and change this section 1. We might want to have here week 1 rather than section 1, or we might want a topic name. Type it in and press enter. Same with section 2, we'll go week 2, type it in and press enter. And go up to the squares. If they don't change, refresh your browser, press F5 on your keyboard, then they will change for you. See now they're going into week 1, week 2. We want some pictures on these squares to make it a bit more interesting. So we do that by clicking change the image, and then we select an image. And I'm going to select an image from that folder on the desktop. Once you've been there once, it will keep reverting back to there when you click on your browse. So I'm going to just put another image in that box. On the image, upload the file. Save the changes. Now you can see that image has gone into week 1. Let's do another image into week 2. Again, click it, choose a file, browse your computer, find your image, open that file. Always save your changes. And now you can see that image is in week 2. So you carry on doing this into all of the sections. So let's look at adding some content. So to add content for week 1, we've got an option here called Add an Activity or Resource. We click on that, and we've got a long list of things we can add. If you click on any of these, for instance, glossary, it gives you a full description of what that will actually involve. The glossary is a module that enables participants to create and maintain a list of definitions, a bit like a dictionary. If you click on questionnaire, this is a questionnaire. It allows you to construct a survey. Most of these will give you full instructions when you start using them. If you need any more help, go to our Technology Learning Centre. Type that in the search box on the front of Moodle. Then we've got some how-to videos in there for you, all of these. Let's go and look at adding a file. Maybe it's a handout you want your learners to have. So we click on the file, and then we click on the button Add. And then we give the file a name. I'm going to call mine Railway. And then the description if you want. And out for computing. Then I click on the icon, which is a page. And that allows you then to browse. Then you're in your desktop area in the folder that you created. Click on the Railway. This file straight in. Always remember to save and return. One other thing you might want to look at, little appearance down, it shows you how it's going to appear when you click on the link. Have it automatically open, embed it with the page, force the learner to download it. You can just open it in a window or in a pop-up. Let's go for that. And we can click save and return. And then when we want to go to that item, we just click. And can you see the pop-up? That item, it's asking you if you want to open it, save it. So open it and allow. It will open in that window. It might take a few minutes to actually download that. Once it's downloaded, you'll be able to view it in the window. See now it's downloading. You can see that's now opened in another window. Close the window, click on the cross, and that will close the window. Now let's look at adding a website. Again, if I click on the Add an Activity resource and scroll down to where it says URL, this is going to enable me to add a website. And I click on the Add button. You can't see that in the window. I'm going to show you that Add button. And then you give it a title. I'm going to call it BBC website. And I'm actually going to use a new tab. Sometimes it's quite useful to actually bring this in by going to the website, bbc.co.uk, and find the website, and then copy, find something on computers, and go computers at work, and then you can copy the web address. Click on it, then right click on copy, then you can Control on the keyboard and V, and it will paste it. I just went up to the web address and copied it, pasted it in. I can put a description if I want to. Computer news, we'll call that. Again, I can choose how it appears. I can actually choose this time to embed this within the course. I'll show you how that looks in a few moments. And we can save and return to course. And now in week 1 we've got a file, and we've also got a web link. And the web link will open up within the course area, and you can see there the web links there. To go back to the front course, or week 1, depending on which one you want to go to. Click on week 1, it brings you back. And you're there. Now let's go and look at adding a folder. So we can click on the add button, scroll down, and we can go to folder. And again, you can use that add button at the bottom. And then we can add a folder. I'm going to call this exercises. And we're going to add exercises for learners to do at home. Again, browse, back to that folder that you have all your work in. I'm going to click on document creation. Now that folder's in, that file's in the folder. We can put another file in, browse again, and let's put it in using an application. Then upload, that's in now. Remember to save and return to go back to your course area. And then you're back there. So you've now got some files and you've got some. If you want to put a summary into week 1, again, and then let's type in okay, so get your heading, maybe make that a bit bolder. You might want to put that in the middle. You might want to put an image in here. So let's go and find an image again, browse, back to the folder. Let's put a mouse in this time, and upload the file. And save it. We don't need a description. If it doesn't go away, it's because you haven't clicked the description. And now you can see that there. We can save the changes. And that's in. That's how to put the content and the pictures in. One other thing I might show you. You might want to link a picture to a website. Let's show you how to do that. You just click on the image and then click on this chain link. And then just copy in the link that you want it to go to. We can go https://bbc.co.uk, and then if we click in a new window, create, and save the changes, we hover over that mouse now, we allow us to go to the BBC website. Click on it, the site will open. You can see there it's open. If I want to go back to my course, I would click on the back arrow. Quite see it, I'm going to show you that now. 2 tabs open, the BBC website tab, go back to my course tab. So that's how you link to a website. But the only other thing I'm going to show you now is I'm going to show you how to get your guests to come into your site. You click on the cog and you click on more button at the bottom. And then you go to users, you go to enrolment methods. And this is where we can hide guest access. Can you see here? And hidden the I. If we wanted to set a password so we only let our guests come in, we can click on the cog and we can actually type the password in. I'm going to type in the word test. You can reveal what the password is. I'm going to click save changes. And that's done. To go back to the demo course, click on the demo course sample. And now we're going to have a quick look at what it will look like to our learners. Click on the cog. Hold on, we click on our person down and we're going to switch role. And then we go as a student. And then we will see it how they see the screen. They can click the first square, they get the welcome. Then they click on the arrows and they get week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Is that one? And go back to normal role. Now I'm just going to show you how to hide sections. Again, you turn your editing on. If you only want them to see week 1, you would scroll down, and in week 2 you would click the edit button, click on the I to hide, and again hide section 3, and you just keep clicking hide. If you want to hide any of the